Good morning! Nataguan pa yung dalawa. Anyway, it's 11 o'clock. Kanina ko pa siyang alas 10 niyayayang mag-breakfast kasi gusto ko ng pancake. Pero 11 na, ayun na naman kami, alanganin na. Parang lunchtime na naman to. So, yes, we'll see. Pero gusto ko ng pancake. Anyways, hindi natuloy si Daddy na mag-bike kagabi. Tinaman siya. Sabi niya, mamaya na lang daw mag-uwi ko. Kasi diba sabi ko mag-off ako today. Tignan natin. Say good morning, Daddy. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm here. You slide. Zeb. Guys, we're done with brunch. I had 3-piece pancake because I was that hungry. Although, shiniran ko naman sila Zeb tsaka si Zach. And now we're here chasing the birds. Zeb is chasing the birds.
Zeb here. Zeb.
Hi, Daddy.
Zeb.
Uh-oh.
Here.
Hi, Daddy. Thankies. Mag-hi ka naman. Hi and bye lang na. Ririnig nila sa'yo. Magkwento ka nga.
Oh, Zeb.
Zeb Gavin.
We're going.
Hey, guys. I'm off. Parang di na ako nakapag-vlog, ano? Yeah. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. But I was live on Facebook kanina. Nag-announce naman ako a few minutes before. So, if you were one of those na mga nanood, thank you so much. Nag-live ako while getting ready, you know, my day off edition. And now, I am off to the bus stop. I'm thinking of going to, I don't know, ano ba to? Northeast ba yun? Changi side. Baka sa Expo, ganun. Tingin-tingin lang, walk. It's ano na nga eh, 3:30 or magpo-4. This is bad. Walang UV itong shades na ito. But, yeah. Ayun lang. Thank you so much sa mga nanood ng live. Nakakatuwa. And kung hindi nga lang ako aalis eh, parang ang sarap makapagchikahan. Kaso nga, diba, anong oras na eh. So, yan ang aking makeup of the day. Hindi naman ako nag-eyeshadow. Pero may highlight in the inner corner. Parang sobre yata pag under the... Anyway, and then I'm wearing a maxi dress. Okay, see ya. I'm here, guys. Dito ako maglalamierda. And later on, I'm gonna meet Mag and Jong. Nag-message sila, Jong. Magkikita sila ni Mag mamaya pa, mga 6 plus. So, mamaya puntahan ko sila dun sa mall na pupuntahan nila. And we're gonna eat. But here, I'm also gonna eat because I'm hungry. Okay, wala masyadong ganap dun sa mall. So, I'm here now. It's a Singapore Expo. Para siyang World Trade something na may mga halls. Tapos, may mga nagsisale, ganun. So, let's see. Tingin ako ng plant. Gusto ko mag-alaga kami ni Zeb ng flowers sa labas ng bahay. Ito $3 na. Para lang ano, for the sake na may alagaan. Let's see. Okay, I'm here! I'm here na! Hi! Hello! This is unplanned. It was supposed to be a Wala lang. Anyways, kakain muna ako kasi kumain na sila dahil gutom na sila eh. Hindi na ako nahintay. So, hanap ako ng mga lalafangan.
Gusto mo na kain?
Para tayo guys. Char-char lang. What is this? Self. Nude steaks. 20% off. What else? Nothing much. Okay. May photoshoot kami.
1, 2, 3.
Cheese!
Ate, ganun ako ba? Arms ko naman yung ano mo?
Sensitive ba? Sensitive area? Ano lang dito. Yan, nagbabayad na si Madam. Sinamahan lang namin siya mag-shopping actually. Madam, Meg. So guys, maghihiwalay na kami. Mauna na ako sa kanila is 9:30 and hinihintay na ako. Okay, so bye guys!
Yung ano mo na, yung heart shape.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye! Bye! Ingat!
Bye, Giant.
Bye, Zion!
Bye.
Bye, guys! it guys, I'm running out of battery and yeah, I'm almost home. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.